Hello everyone. I wanted to do a video here on Paracord, some of the uses for it and everything. I forgot to bring one of my main things I wanted to show you is the fishing lure, where you can take a fish hook, take you a little bit of paracord and make you a fishing lure out of it. I'll put a link to my video where I actually made one at, so you can check it out if you didn't get to see it. But as you can see, paracord has many uses. I got my flint striker on here. It did have a little short piece of string holding it together, but I put the longer piece of paracord on here. That way I could put it around my neck, and if I have to, I can use the paracord for something else. Stick this in my pocket if I had to. But paracord is 550 that I use pretty much all the time. I got about a foot of it here, and if you had to, you could actually end up with like 8 feet here, because you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 strands inside it. Plus you got the outside cover you could use if you had to. I'll pull one of these. Actually, I'll pull them all out to show you. Which you got the outside cover here you could use. Say like if you hurt your finger, you could use this. To tie around them to make a little splint to hold them. You could use the inner strands of it. If you had to stick through a needle, you could undo them, and there's 2 strands there. You could use it for stitches if you had to stitch yourself up and had a needle. You could tie them together. Use it for fishing line. If you had to sew your tin or something up, you could use it for that. Excuse me. If you're bleeding really bad, let's see, I had one down up there. You could actually tie it around your leg. So I'll make it a little tighter here. You could put that on there and twist it up to slow the bleeding down. Which I'm sure there's a lot more uses out there. So if you guys want to, comment down below with your ideas on it. But there's just so many uses for it. I'm not going to be able to name them all in this video. But if you're out in the middle of the woods or somewhere, always remember that if you got paracord with you, I always got it on my bracelet. I usually got this around my neck or some kind of deal around my neck with it. But you got all these strands you can use. And it makes your 1 foot of paracord actually 7 to 8 foot. Plenty of uses for it. I'll put some more videos up later on stuff with it, on how to start fires, and all kinds of survival ideas. So if you guys will, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and catch me on the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.